Hello and welcome to the latest Monaco property profile brought to you by monacoestate.com. And today we're looking at a two-bedroom apartment in a building called Grand Large in the Fontvieille district of Monaco. And this is the building from the outside, and as you can see it's nice and close to the waterside. And Fontvieille is a really pleasant part of the Principality. It's one of my favourites because it's a little bit away from all the hustle and bustle of the centre. It was developed back in the 1980s and it's got its own marina, it's got its own bars and restaurants, and it's got a really nice ambience to it. It's almost like a slightly separate place, but I like it all the more for that. You can see on the map here that it's just towards the western end of Monaco, and it's home to just over 4,000 residents, which is about 12% of the overall population. But as you can see from the layout there, you're just somewhat to the west of where all the main action is in the centre. And for some people that's a good thing, particularly for families looking for kind of outdoor space and play areas for their children. For others that want to be at the heart of the action, then maybe Fontvieille is not the best place for you. So it all depends what you're looking for in your Monaco home. There's an aerial view just to give you an idea, and the pin there, the white pin in the center of the screen, shows you exactly where the Grand Large building is, and you can see you're right next to the water there, and if you had a boat in the marina, it'd be very, very handy for you there as well. You're also quite close to the football stadium if you want to become a supporter of Monaco's team. It has a really nice swimming pool in this development, and often you'll find kind of postage stamp sized pools. Here you've got a really super facility there. That's a great place to idle away some of those summer days when you just want to sit by the pool or go in for a dip. So one of the better pools that you'll come across, I think, in any of the Monaco developments. So Fontvieille, as I say itself, very much a family-friendly area. It's also relatively affordable. I mean, obviously affordability in Monaco is a slightly different prospect to most places, but it is towards the lower end in terms of cost per square metre. The people who live there really like the outdoor spaces and the parks and things where you can take the children or walk the dog. So it's much of a kind of calmer, more tranquil environment, but it's got a lovely selection of bars and restaurants, particularly around the marina area. So it's kind of the marina itself is a kind of scenic centerpiece there. On the downside, it can feel a little bit remote from the center, but there's regular bus services and taxis, obviously, or you can walk or drive. Nothing's too much of a distance from anywhere in Monaco, let's face it. So it's definitely kind of it scores highly with families rather than with, shall we say, those looking for the bachelor lifestyle. So I've got a question for you. What are the most important things that you're looking for in your ideal Monaco home? What district appeals to you the most? What characteristics of the property are most important? Just put the thoughts that you have in the comments section below, or email us directly on homes@monacoestate.com. Be interested to get your take on what matters for you. So let's just have a look at some interior shots from this property in the Grand Large. So this is a look at the living area, as you can see, going out to the balcony, which has a view over the gardens of the development. There's another view. You can see they've got a nice kind of interior lighting and sunken lighting in the ceiling there. And you've got the living area and also the corner kitchen in the distance, nice wood floors. Here's another view which shows you the sofa area and again the corner kitchen and the storage units there. Out onto the balcony overlooking the garden area. A nice way to spend a balmy summer evening out there with a G&T or a glass of wine. Some facts and figures for you. It's on the garden level, the rez-de-jardin as they call it, in the Grand Large building. You've seen a very good swimming pool that residents can use. The apartment itself has got 58 square meters of internal living space. That's about 624 square feet. And it's also got a large 15 square meter terrace, about 160 square feet. You've got built-in work from home space in the main living area and also in the second bedroom. So if you're a couple, you could both actually work from home here because there's a desk in the living area and there's a desk in the second bedroom. You've also got that rarest of all things in Monaco, your own dedicated parking space. a cellar for your wine collection, and there's also a concierge service so that they can take care of anything you need whilst you're staying there. There's another shot of the balcony. As I said, it's a 15-metre terrace, so you've got plenty of space. There's a small dining area outside on the balcony as well. I mentioned the work from home space. As you can see, the current owners are very much using it as an office, so they've got their computers and their monitors and so on the desk. There's the main double bedroom, which opens out onto the terrace as well. So as well as the living space opening onto the terrace, the main master bedroom does as well. And here's the second bedroom, single bedroom with a desk. Again, it's kind of a combined guest room come study. Really try to maximize the flexibility of the internal space. Then there's the shower room with twin sinks as well, and heated towel rail in there, all nicely fully tiled. And this apartment is available now at 3.5 million euros. So if you'd like to learn more about it, just email us on homes@monacoestate.com. There's also a virtual tour we can give you so you can see the whole thing front to back from the privacy of your laptop. And also, if you've not already got our report on how to make Monaco your home, just make sure that you can download it from this site or email us and we'll send that across to you. And obviously, if you're really interested to take a look, you've got to come and see. And we can arrange everything for you. If you let us know when you're coming to Monaco, we can arrange to meet you, show you around the property, and let you make your decision on it. So I hope you found that one interesting. Join me again soon for another property profile. Thanks very much for watching.